What if the reason you're not wealthy has nothing to do with money? Not a single thing to do with your paycheck or your investments. It's not even about working harder, it's about your mind. Our minds are like computers. They have a kind of software. This software decides everything. It determines how we act. It shapes our lives. The problem is, most of us have old, outdated software. It keeps us stuck in a loop, a cycle of being broke or being just okay. We work hard, we save every penny, we try to invest, we put in extra hours, but nothing seems to change. We get a raise, we pay off a bill, then something else happens. The car breaks down, an unexpected medical bill appears, and we're right back where we started. I used to be stuck in that cycle. I worked a regular job, I saved money, I tried every investment trick I could find. I worked late into the night, but I wasn't getting rich. I realized something important. Hard work alone doesn't create wealth. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you do with what you make. It's about how you think about money. I lost everything once, my entire life savings. $100,000. Gone. Just like that. It was a scam, a fraud. I was at rock bottom. I had nothing. But that's when I learned the biggest secret. I realized I had to change the software in my mind. It was my subconscious that was holding me back. My mind was programmed to keep me poor. Think of it like this. Imagine a dog tied to a rope. When it was a puppy, it couldn't break free. The rope was too strong. It tried and failed. So it learned that it couldn't escape. Now, as an adult dog, it's strong enough to break the rope easily. But it doesn't even try. It just stays there. It believes it can't escape. That's what our minds do. We set limits for ourselves. We believe we can't be wealthy. We think it's not for us. We tell ourselves it's too hard, that it's a dream for other people. Where does this software come from? Our parents, our schools, our friends, the media? We are taught to be content, to be grateful for what we have. We're taught that money is evil. We're taught that being rich is greedy. We're taught to just be normal. And we believe it. We don't even realize we're being programmed. We don't realize that our operating system is keeping us poor. We try to become rich, but our subconscious mind resists it. It's like trying to run a new app on an old system. It just crashes. I realized I had to change my mind. I had to install new software. It's a difficult process, but it's the only way. You can do it with repetition. You have to lie to your subconscious mind. You have to tell it what you want. Over and over again, every day. You have to tell yourself, I am becoming wealthy. Money comes to me easily. I am a financial genius. It feels crazy at first. It feels like you're deceiving yourself, but you're not. You're reprogramming yourself. You have to say these things every morning, every night. Write them down. Think about them. Visualize what you want. Imagine the life you want to live. See yourself with financial freedom. See yourself in that dream home. See yourself with a successful business. Do it every single day. Even if it feels like a lie, even if it feels fake, keep doing it. Until your mind starts to believe it, until the new software is installed. It takes time. It takes discipline. You have to be consistent. You have to make it a daily habit. This is not for people who are just kind of interested. This is for people who are desperate. The people who are tired of being broke. The people who are tired of being stuck. It's for the people who are ready to take control of their lives. Don't let your past decide your future. Don't let your old software hold you back. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. You have the power to change everything. You just have to change your mind.